more spiritual, mental, and physical in this short vacation on planet Earth. I think we're essentially spiritual beings using mind to express through a physical body in a physical world. I'm just winging it here. I wish I had prepared a little bit for this now, but if you consider a 7-year-old young girl and she wants to be a dancer, and so we might think of Can we refrain from interruptions here?
I first knew that I wanted to be a professional dancer when I was around 11 or 12.
You know, what has to happen for her to become a dancer? And she has to have a costume, and she has to have instructions. She should have lessons.
Turn and pose, slide and dance, up and high.
So she starts doing what dancers do, and then she ends up having all the money and everything we think a dancer should have.
I think one of the things about being a dancer is just constantly questioning and doubting yourself.
Just say, hey, I'm a dancer. And then right there and then on the kitchen floor, she dances around. She's being a dancer, and somebody says, wow, look, she's a dancer.
Thank you. Well, you just might see a Southern Arizona high school dance team on your TV in the coming weeks. Now, they are waiting patiently for their chance to appear on America's Got Talent.
America's Got Talent.
America's Got Talent. A group of teens are gunning for a shot at $1 million.
And a chance to headline a show in Las Vegas. I mean, I guess we're still like in shock, like that it even happened, that we're even out to America's Got Talent.
This is the first time anyone's had a standing ovation. You guys just light up the stage. Get through to the next round. Congratulations.
There's never been a high school dance team on the show.
So now we ready to do this? Yeah! All right, let's go!
The Walden Grove Pack Dance Team's time on America's Got Talent has been cut short. The judges agreed that it was their best performance to date, but just wasn't enough for that Vegas residency.
And it's okay. That's fine.